Look.
I'm driving right now.
I got This is talent. Thanks, Dan. But anyways, we're going to inside. Actually, we're going to Daniel's brother's house to get some food. Then we're gonna head up inside. And
Hey, Brian's filming because I'm driving.
I'm filming. Daniel's driving, but I'm in the driver's seat. But yes,
that's completely safe.
Oh, completely.
100%, guys.
Yes, 100% safe.
How wide? Do you know how wide the lens is? Like, can it still see us or not?
Should be. Yeah, should be all right.
I feel like I have to go like this. We drive like this.
Hey, Brian!
Yeah!
What's the road you made?
Train! This is very dramatic. People are gonna watch this and be like idiots.
Oh, you guys want to go antiquing? Huh? Come on, guys. It's all super cool.
Gotta stab myself with a soldering iron.
Wait, it's gonna be like low riding.
You're not low enough. If you can see it.
That's annoying.
You're annoying.
Your face.
Your mom.
She's a nice lady.
She really is. She's pleasant.
Violates the very fundamental starting point of atheism. So even if he is taken practically, I dare him to do it in a counter perspective like Islam. If he is doing it equivocatingly, then it is not nothing, it is something. If he is mocking something insane, then the insanity actually lies on the side of the mocker. When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my own daughters, but though
Did your mother ever teach you not to bite nails? Did your mother ever teach you at all?
The beetle answered. There will be an answer.
Turn around, Daniel.
See, anything, anything green.
Give me your glasses.
You can't go anywhere.
Here at the sound, and you'll get your answers. Did Cynthia deal with
Right, check.
you know, the stones? Yeah, it's been a war
Big
with that.
rude.
But now,
Very
they
rude.
say, you know, after the no tour, absolutely. Now they say they might just have one live performance.
Oh, God.
We'll see. It's all right.
That's child abuse, dude. Wait, is it child abuse if it's not your kid?
No.
No?
No.
Cool.
Continue.
Continue.
Dr. Margaret,